Good morning, y'all. It's Thursday morning. You'll see this on Friday. We had plans of going to a funeral today, but it's going to rain and we're not going to ride our motorcycles in the rain. Tomorrow is another funeral. It's an escort to the Veterans Cemetery in Keithville. So today I got some things I got to finish up. I'm going to move my propane tank up on that pad and chain it to the porch. Right now, the weed eater, this just wore completely out. So I bought a new one. It's supposed to be an identical, right? And it's not. See these threads? And those are coarse threads. And these are fine threads. And I can't get this to thread on, and I realized why. So I took the old one apart, and I got the fine thread centerpiece out of there, and I hope I can replace this here with a fine thread one. So let me stick my tongue out the corner of my mouth and see if I can get this thing apart. Yes, I can. I believe that was a campaign slogan. Yes, we can. All right, I gotta hammer that in there. Man, that took some doing. Okay. Let me get my pliers on that and give this another turn or two, and I think it'll be all right. Okay, I got that on. Now, this has a crack in it, so I have parts. And the air cleaner, oh my. I'm gonna have to clean that out. That is nasty. So let me get these 4 screws off. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4. And get that replaced and get that cleaned out. And then we'll go work on that propane tank. Oh yeah, by the way, this is an Echo GT 225L, and the L stands for long. I had to order this special with a long shaft because I'm tall. And this last screw, this is in the way. So I just loosen these up, pull that out a little bit, and I think I can sneak that out of there. Actually, I think I can turn these out a little more. Yeah. Plenty of room. All right, let me get that off. All right. We're good there. Now I'm going to use some of my special solvent and get that cleaned up and probably blow it out with my blower. I don't have any of these, or else I would just put a new one in, but let's see how clean I can get this. All right. I got that bolted in. Before, see where it used to be right there? It was too tight to this. I couldn't get in here and plug this in and see what I was doing, so I'm glad I moved it over a bit. So I got this chain on, and that should do it. And it's starting to rain. I'm soaked. So I got a couple of things I got to do. Put this away, go put my toy away. And get some water up here. I think I just screwed my back up again, picking up cases of water. But I gotta go. I got them on the back of the truck, and I'm fixing to back the truck up here and get them inside. So that's it for me today. We have, you've probably seen it, cases of water stored down in my shop, and we got to start using it. You can't let water sit around in plastic bottles for too long, or the bottles get brittle. Anyway, I did, all I did was pick up 5 cases of water and put them on the bed of my truck, and that's it. I just screwed my back up again. So, that's it for me today. Oh, I did get that air cleaner, fairly clean, but I ordered some, and I should have them in a couple of days. And $8 for 4 of them. You can't go wrong there. And when I get the new ones in, I'll just stick a new air cleaner in there. But it did come pretty clean. Alrighty, y'all. Have a good Thursday. Thursday? Today's Thursday. Have a good Friday. Tomorrow, if I can get drugged up and ibuprofened up, I'm gonna ride my motorcycle in a veteran's funeral. And then Saturday, we got another veteran's funeral up in Gilmer, Texas. And both of these are escorts. Crap, my back. I just can't believe it. It took me about 2 weeks to get over. Really screwed it up. I mean, it was so bad that I would have contemplated surgery. It hurt that bad. Anyway, who wants to hear about my problems? It's not quite that bad, but I'm just going to keep on plugging away every day. Have a good Friday, y'all.
Why are you so good?
He doesn't dream very often. Or actually, he doesn't act out his dreams very often. I'm gonna get that toy. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna take that toy. I am. Here I go. I'm gonna get it. Here I go. I'm gonna get that toy. I'm gonna get that toy. I'm gonna get it. Flip your ear over. Your ear is all messed up. There you go. Okay. I'm gonna get that toy. I'm gonna get it.